Mongo's garage. Today we had about 1.5 inches of rain from about 6 o'clock last evening. This is our driveway when we come in. As you can see behind me, that's the main road where the car is. You'll see some cars going past. And yeah, we really can't get through. Didn't do so much. There's some water in that, but we need some more pipe. That looks like we need to build the road up a little bit.
everybody, old Mongo Man here. Just got done cleaning up the mess down here. Well, the preliminary mess, because it's supposed to rain like it is right now the rest of the evening. And I'm sure that this will get washed out one more time. But I think the pipes actually did their job this time. They saved the driveway. It didn't get much past the first pipe. The first pipe is still in the ground. I think these second pipes did a really good job of getting rid of a lot of this water. So what we've got going on here is 3 pipes in under the grass, under the driveway. There's 2 here, and there's 1 further down. Right there's 1, here's 2 right here. What happens is the creek hits the bridge there and then comes around and fills this field. You guys saw that in pictures, and then runs across our driveway. Well, the pipes are saving the ramp now, which is what they're designed to do, but we were having a lot of problems with that before. Not so much anymore. It's working. You can see the big hole in the ground there from the water that was coming through those pipes. Same thing on that one. So they were moving quite a bit of water. And you can see that the creek is still pretty high. But these guys were moving a ton of water. The problem now is everything that we just put back in is real loose. So if the water does rise up again, which I'm thinking it's going to tonight, it's probably just going to wash it right back out. But this guy right here, I think, did its job and saved a lot of that bridge, or a lot of that ramp. All right, I'm gonna get back up to the house, get dry, and maybe go do something in the garage tonight. We'll see. See y'all.
Oh yeah, you can wait.
At least somebody can have some fun in it, right?